Done cleaning. Finally, I am done cleaning. I am done. I think I'm just gonna have some breakfast now. Yeah, I ate some porridge before cleaning, so I just wanna eat some bread and eggs now, and coffee, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the day. We just going to have some braai, yeah, later on, so yay. We're having some chicken drumsticks, yeah, and then I'm a the chicken runaways, the chicken feet, yay.
Sausages inside.
And then you got some sausages inside. Today is going to be lekker. And my butones, the chicken runaways, are still to be fried. And then some more chicken here. Some more chicken. Yes. Yay. Yo, damn. The lighting, man, is the lighting for me. Taras is frying there, frying over there. He must teach me how to fry. Today the weather was like gloomy in the morning. It was raining in the morning.
Rain can't stop us.
But the rain can't stop the brine, man.
When the rain doesn't want us to shine, but we shine either way.
Yes. You say that. He say that. Yeah. Hello, boy. Hello, boy. Hello, boy. Outfit of the day. My extra large t-shirt that I made into a dress. Obvious Qhawekaziwear representing, and my ring. That's the OTD of the day. plain and simple. We're gonna do some potato wedges. Some potato wedges. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, my spend a day with me vlog. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Like I always said, guys, let's not forget to aspire to inspire before we expire. Till we meet again, bye.
Qhawekazi.